What the heck?
For the following locations in Colorado, Greeley and Byers. High wind warning in effect until 7 daylight time this evening. What? Northwest winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Where? Briggsdale, Greeley, Fort Morgan, Byers, Sterling, Akron, Julesburg, and Holyoke. When? Until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Blowing gust may reduce visibility to less than a half mile in places. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles, especially on east-to-west oriented roadways including Interstate 76. Use extra caution.